In 5 seconds, I'm going to show you how to set up a successful restaurant. And like you, when I first set up my first restaurant, I had so many questions going through my mind. What menu should I write? How do I find the correct demographic? Will I have enough customers to come through the door? How do I find good staff? How do I train the staff? The list goes on and on. Now, using my 20 years of experience working in hospitality, owning and selling 2 restaurants, 1 catering company, I have created this meticulous and in-depth course to help and teach people like you to set up a successful and profitable restaurant. So why not enroll today by clicking the link below? I've also developed a free to subscribe and enroll community of students where you can join, communicate, share your success stories and help each other out. So please enroll today. Let me help you turn your dream into a functional, successful and profitable restaurant. Click that link, enroll today, and I cannot wait to meet you in class.